Ciao Tesla people, I came back to this charger here to charge again. I'm at 47%, and since I'm doing some road trips in the coming days, I wanted to fill up a bit. And also I needed to finish this monthly plan. So let's see, I tricked the car in heating up the battery by selecting in navigation another charger. So battery should be a bit warmer than last time, so let's see how it goes. Let's open the port and let's see how it goes. Okay, last time it was a bit tricky. Okay, let's see if it works. It says undergoing authentication error. Okay, so let's unlock this again. Yeah, last time it was the same thing. Here I have error equipment not ready. Okay, whatever. So let's unplug this guy. Let's reopen this. Okay, that's charging opening port. So let's do A. We do the card. Swipe successfully. Please insert the connector. Okay. And blue, orange. It's not blinking. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's the wrong connector. It's not ready, it says. Okay, unlock this. Unfortunately, it doesn't mention which connector, so I have no idea which one is ready, which one is not. Okay, interesting. Charging session, charging opening port. Okay, swipe successful. No, it's not. Let's do again. Okay, so with this card, card is successful. Insert the connector. Okay. I'll try with up, I guess. Doesn't look like so let's try with the up. Okay, let's unlock this guy. It's becoming ridiculous. Okay, let's reopen. It's fun. Unfortunately, the indication there are completely off. And on the app it says connector 1 and connector 2. This is connector 1. Start. Okay. Are you sure? Yes. Flat rate. Okay. And attempting number 1. Okay. Let's try this. preparing to charge. This is getting better. And it's blinking. Come on. Preparing to charge. Blinking, blinking. Green. Cool. Wow. That took a while. Let's see how fast it's charging. 87, 89, 96, 108, 114, 119, 124. Yeah, I think that's the maximum. So I'm charging at 124. Let's see how, let me put it to 85%. Yeah, 124. So some trouble with the card, but with the application it worked. Unfortunately, on the app it doesn't tell you the speed and the kilowatts hour that you're putting in. Other apps they do. They even give you the charging curve, and this guy is not giving me any information. Okay, so it says only 25 minutes staying, which is okay. Yeah, because the battery is 49% already. So you know, fuller the battery, slower this charging speed is, as usual. Anyway, let's see how it goes, and hopefully everything goes well. Okay, so you'll see in a bit. I'm done with charging. I charged 29 kilowatts hour, which is pretty good. So let's unlock it here. Actually, it's already unlocked. Let's get out of here. So, done. Everything went well charging, beside the initial issues with the card. Everything worked with the app, but I had trouble with the card. Even though the charging station here, it says that you can use, there are 4 different methods of starting the charging session. So I guess the card did not work correctly. I don't know. It's strange because it says everything was all right, but it didn't start the charging session. So I'm not sure. As long as the app works, I'm happy with it. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel to know notification if you're subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.